This is the hunt through my eyes. We start on the range, setting the rifles in, and then we get into the bush. Looking through the scope, Daryl could see a family of kudu. I was enjoying the flowers and the animals. It's just so wonderful to be back in nature again. The second day we went out early again, and I was so thrilled to see two warthog mating. It was such a cool sighting. Then we spotted a kudu and Daryl took the shot. And while the recovery team was busy, I was just so engrossed in the nature again. I mean, there's just so much to see. From the top of the mountain we had some good sightings of a herd of kudu. They're in rut. We had some crazy paths that we walked along the mountain edge. It was just such fun to be with all the hunters. And I loved teaching Erin how to photograph. The next on the agenda was the cows, showing her the cows. This poor guy was asleep with his mouth full. And then in the evenings, we'd sit around the fire. I was trying some fire photography, and my first time doing a star time-lapse, which was super exciting. Erin just loved being in the bush. And this little steenbok was just amazing, marking his territory. Such amazing colors. In the evenings, we'd all tell stories about the day, enjoy the stars. This particular morning, I went out with Wayne, who was hoping to shoot a springbok. It's quite a difficult hunt because they've got eyes all over the place and you've got to be really low in the grass to get one. But he managed really well. Back at the ranch, I did a rack shot, which was quite cool. And this dog is Salt, and he really does look like that. But the evenings on the farm are just the most beautiful. The sunsets are just amazing. And I so nailed this sunrise shot, which was really cool with the clouds. We went hunting with Pete and Gavin. Gavin got a warthog. He was super excited. Peter wanted to also get a warthog. And the whistle works every time. And every evening we would end off with marshmallows around the fire and amazing stars. What an awesome hunt.